guys! Welcome to Mrs. Baker's restaurant. I just want to show you around and talk a little bit about the project we're doing about the tomato crisis here in Nueva Vizcaya. Let's go! Noong nakaraan ng panahon ng tag-init, nagkaroon ng krisis dito sa aming region, sa kamatis. Ang krisis ay hindi kakulangan sa kamatis kung hindi oversupply ng kamatis sa aming probinsya. Nababalitaan namin ito noong buwan ng Marso, Abril, ngunit wala kaming kakayahan na bumili at magproduksyon ng mga kamatis dahil isinarado namin ang aming restaurant noong panahon ng quarantine. Bandang buwan ng Mayo, nagbukas ang aming restaurant at nakita namin itong isang oportunidad upang makatulong sa oversupply ng kamatis at matulungan din ang kalagayan ng ating mga farmers. Nagsimula kaming mamili ng kamatis na nakakahalaga ng 100 kilo at mula doon, sinubukan namin gumawa ng iba't ibang produkto mula sa kamatis. Bumagsak ang halaga ng kamatis magmula sa normal na presyo nito na 40 pesos per kilo at naging 5 piso per kilo na lamang. Lalong tumindi ang krisis sa kamatis nang ang halaga ng pagpapaharvest ng mga farmers at pagbaba ng kanilang produkto dito ay naging higit pa sa kanilang mapapabentahan. Na pag-alaman namin na ang kamatis sa bagsakan ay binibili na lamang ng hanggang 2 piso per kilo o kapalit ng kanilang ginastos sa pagdala dito ng produkto nila. Kaya nanawagan kami sa kung sino man na makakapagbigay sa amin ng kaunayan diretso sa mga farmers at ito naman ay sinagot ng aming provincial officer ng Department of Tourism ng Nueva Vizcaya sa Ambaguio para magbigay ng aming koneksyon sa mga farmers. So, nung nagsimula po kami na pumasok at magbukas ng aming restaurant buwan ng Mayo, kami ay gumawa ng iba't ibang produkto mula sa aming unang bili na 100 kilo ng kamatis. Magmula po kami na nagsimulang mamili ng kamatis para gawin iba't ibang produkto dito sa restaurant hanggang sa matapos ang krisis. Umabot po sa total ng 1,500 kilos ng kamatis ang aming nabili diretso mula sa farmers ng Ambaguio. Nakakatawag po ng pansin sa buong bansa ang krisis dito sa aming probinsya sa kadahilanan na nakikita ko sa mga balita ang nagaganap na pagtatapon ng kamatis sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa region 2. Hindi po natin masisi ang mga farmers sa kanilang naging gawain na magtapon ng kamatis sapagkat ang pagbaba lamang po dito ng kamatis ay nagkakaroon na po ng additional na expenses sa kanilang operasyon at mas gagastos po sila sa pag-harvest at pagbaba nito at hindi po matatubasan ito na mapagbebenta na nila ng kamatis. Sa ngayon po, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung mga iba't ibang produkto na aming ginawa mula sa kamatis. Meron po kami barbecue sauce, ketchup, pomodoro sauce, at nagkaroon na rin po kami ng iba't ibang selection ng mga produkto para rin po matulungan ang iba pa pong farmers sa ibang sektor. Kagaya po na meron din po kaming other local products like magat rice and guava jam. These are all proudly Vizcayano products. Ito naman po ay mula sa aming munting gardening na ang pagbili po nito ng mga organic na herbs ay napupunta po sa pondo ng mga empleyado na naapektuhan din garden. At meron po kaming sun-dried tomatoes o pinatuyong kamatis na ito pong mga ganitong packaging na medyo malaki na nakakarating po ito sa Manila at iba pang lugar sa Pilipinas na gusto pong tumulong at sumuporta sa aming proyekto. Meron din po kami mga small packaging ng sun-dried tomatoes. At naglabas din po kami ng cracker na gawa po sa buto, balat, at pulp ng kamatis. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-suporta sa aming naging proyekto. Sa ngayon po, nagtapos na ang thesis sa kamatis. Meron na pong nararapat na presyo na nakukuha ang mga farmers sa kanilang inaani. Nasa kasalukuyan po, nasa 40 pesos na po per kilo ang kamatis na kung maikukumpira po natin yung mga panahon ng thesis na ang kamatis po ay nagkakahalaga ng 5 piso, wala po talagang napupunta at kapalit o bayad sa maghihirap ng mga farmers sa pagtatanim ng kamatis. So maraming salamat po at let's continue to support the farmers of Nueva Vizcaya.
So, hi guys! So tonight, I'm going to be showing you the different products that we have in the restaurant that is from tomatoes. So, what we have now is homemade ketchup, which is very special. Spelling niya Tagalog ba yun? Ketchup. So, our ketchup, I'm very proud of this product because it's really very good. It's way better than the bottle ones that you get in the stores. It's a gourmet kind of ketchup because what it is just talagang mainly cooked down puree of tomatoes. And this little mighty bottle is equivalent to more than a kilo of tomatoes. So, see how cute the bottle is, but this is actually very packed in nutrients. So, meron kami mga nilagay na spices, which is something that I want you to guess when you try the ketchup. Kasi, parang it's not very usual for ketchup to have that spice, but anyhow, I really like that I added that one. So, make a guess. I'll tell you if you're right. So, this is our homemade ketchup. We made another product. This is barbecue sauce. Parang home TV shopping to. So we have barbecue sauce, which is smoky in flavor, and this is a very complex sauce. So, ang dami-dami niyang herbs, spices, but all natural. No? So, check out the consistency, no stabilizers, or preservative or thickener, artificial thickener. So it's just purely the goodness of tomato in a bottle with a lot of herbs and spices. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, and blue cheese dip. And I'm going to show you what we're going to pair this one with. So you need something fried to use this condiment. So another product that we have is garlic confit. So little kwento about the garlic confit. Again, the price of garlic is dropping, and we don't really need to buy. We're not looking to buy a sack of garlic in the restaurant because it's we're still on general quarantine and only takeout. So we're not moving our inventory that fast. But a vendor came to us asking, nakikiusap if we can buy their goods kasi wala, no? Talagang very slow ang market scene these days. And we have also an herb butter with garlic and Thai basil that we grow in our garden. So that's it. And next I'm going to show you what we will be frying. So we will be frying something I'm gonna fry chicken later also together with this dish. But what I'm gonna show you is how to fry vegetables. Because anything can be dipped with our barbecue sauce and ketchup. It's very versatile. No, hindi lang chicken or meat, but even vegetables. So this is the kind of eggplant that we have here in Vizcaya. It's more actually popular than the big ones or aubergine. So cute ng eggplant namin dito. So we will be frying that. And to be honest, it's my first time to fry winged beans. So, fried vegetables is fried vegetables. So, that's what I have now, and we shall try. And also okra that I just harvested from the garden. So, we have tapioca starch, we have egg mixed with a little milk, and parmesan. So, we are making sort of like eggplant parmigiana or chicken parmigiana. Okay, just a trivia, my friends, from Manila. Winged beans are called palang here in Ilocano. So, pwede pala, palang. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Our vegetable parmigiana. Here we have something fried chicken, and the vegetables that we dredge in panko breadcrumbs and fried. And both of these, either meat or vegetables, basta anything fried goes well with the barbecue sauce and the ketchup. And about this one, let me grab my bread first. So this bread is from Panadera. It's our ciabatta. Can you hear that, guys? So, but what you basically want to do is just open the tub. So we can transfer it in another container, but since we're just home and it's just family eating tonight, so I'll just serve it this way. And what they can do is grab a piece of ciabatta, and you appreciate that. Look at the holes. So, and then get a piece of garlic confit. What you can do is just spread it. If you're a garlic lover, you'll really like this. It's like creamy, garlicky butter without butter, just garlic. A few minutes later.
That's not how it goes, huh?
Okay. Okay, so now our meatballs is cooked. Chef, are you done with your break time?
Yeah.
Come and join me. So I'm gonna take out some meatballs. The pasta is already also
Done. Cooking.
close to being al dente. So we can add in now here. Okay, go ahead, do it. Usually I like to put my pasta very al dente, but I can see now it's quite cooked already. Fully cooked. Bit of the pasta water to make it saucy. Okay. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna plate the pasta now. Ito marami siya. Yan na naman tayo. Like ko sinasabi, parang ang dami niya. tapos wala naman leftover. It's always good to cook generously kasi you never know who wants to have a second serving. Okay, so there. So, 1 pack of the pasta will be just right to use the 1 cup of pomodoro. But if you really want it to be heavily sauced, then you can go ahead and add 2. So, this is how 1 cup of pomodoro looks like in a packet of pasta. Okay, and then of course we will be adding all of the sauce. And do you want some cheese on top, William?
Yep.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Use your hand. Okay. As long as you wash your hands.
I did. I did.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's say goodbye now. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope you like our meatball
Pasta.
pasta. Alright. So I'm gonna show you another pasta dish using our new tomato product, which is the sun-dried tomato. So this is just 1/3 of the packet that we are selling, and it doesn't look much, but trust me, this is equivalent to 1 kilo of fresh tomatoes. So the pack that we are selling for 100 pesos is already a dehydrated version of 3 kilos of tomatoes. So this pasta, I'd like to call it ATM. It's anchovies, tomatoes, and mushrooms. And the 3 main ingredients for this pasta are all preserved or something that can keep long in your pantry. So we have the tomatoes that we will rehydrate in water. So this is hot water, and also the mushrooms. So don't put a lot of water because you will be using also that soaking liquid as part of your sauce for the pasta. Here's the rest of the ingredients. We'll be using brown rice, fettuccine, but any pasta is okay. I just happen to have this. It's gluten-free. It's a healthier version if you're trying to cut down on carbs. And I'm contemplating whether to use the canned anchovies or the local anchovy or tuyo, because any will do. But since I already have this open, might as well use this. So we have the tomatoes that we rehydrated in water. So it will take a while to soften the tomatoes. But as for me, it doesn't matter if it comes to really a very soft, just like a fresh tomatoes, or something quite chewy like this. I still like it anyhow. And the mushroom that I will be slicing, and also I have here some garlic in olive oil, and my water for the pasta. So you don't have to peel your garlic so that it will steam inside and get soft. So it's a little bit generous in oil because this is an oil-based pasta. So we put your anchovies. I'm cooking a packet of pasta that's 450 grams. So that's around maybe 6 strips of anchovies. Then you add in your mushroom. Then you reserve the water. You fry the mushroom a little bit in oil. thing with the sun-dried tomatoes. You can add it in. And just fry it a little bit in oil. And then you can add in the tomato water and the mushroom water. So if you want to use the mushroom water, you have to wash your mushroom first before you hydrate it in water so that it will be clean, and the water also will be clean. Okay, at this point you can add salt. Just be careful with the salt. Let me try it first. Because if you're using anchovies, it's already very salty. Okay, so we can use a little bit more salt. And okay, so that's for the sauce. You can turn off the heat low. So here's my boiling water. So if you noticed, I didn't drop the pasta before I made the sauce. It's because when you're working especially with gluten-free pasta or something like this, like a brown rice pasta, since it doesn't have gluten, it's very, very, very soft, and it cooks even faster than regular pasta. This pack is usually for us. It's good for 4 persons. So might as well cook everything because the leftover is also nice when reheated. Cold pasta. Gluten-free pasta is really very tricky to use. It's very sticky. Nagdidikit-dikit siya, no? And it easily overcooks. So I like to add it. This is cooking for about only 3 minutes. But I'd like to add it in my sauce while it's still al dente. And I'll fully cook or finish cooking here. So just finish cooking the pasta here. So here it is. Mukha siyang may cream, ano? The sauce becomes thick only because I'm using gluten-free and brown rice pasta. So this dish will look totally different if you're using the regular pasta. That's it. So this is quite a lot for 3 people, so I'm very sure we're gonna have some leftovers. And you don't even need to put cheese if you're using gluten-free pasta. That's also one way you can cut down on calories kasi it's creamy already as it is without adding any cheese at all. So there you go, guys. It's an oil-based pasta with dried anchovies, mushroom, and sun-dried tomatoes.
So this is how the restaurant looks like, and we are just about to open the restaurant. So it's a little bit quiet, but ever since we opened, we are really experiencing a slowdown on the traffic of guests, and that's very understandable because we're still on modified general quarantine. So this is our waiting area. And we will sit here. while waiting for your turn in the counter. So we have signs that will direct you towards the counter. No face mask, no anything. So over here, I've talked about this a lot of times already, and this is where we keep all our tomato products. And then these are our home baked breads from our sister company Panadera, which is baked fresh daily. So here, ito ang aming counter. So you have to wait for your turn to be here, to stand here, and talk to our counter girl. So this is where you order. And we have also breads that are all freshly baked daily, every day. So if you notice, all our breads are individually packed. Unlike before, since it's freshly baked daily, all you have to do is turo-turo. It's all displayed in a nice counter. But since it's pandemic time, everything has to be packed individually and ready to go since we're just serving takeouts. So after you order this, go here. And you can still see some of the products here that we are selling. This is what sells a lot here in the restaurant. The 80-gram pack of sun-dried tomatoes. So this is good enough when you cook a packet of pasta. And sometimes you can just use half of it. Kasi when you rehydrate this, it is really equivalent to a lot of tomatoes. That's it, guys. This is our project that we started in the month of May. And now we're in August. We're almost done with the tomato project. And I just want to thank everyone for supporting us and for being involved in this project that supports our farmers. So the social media helped a lot. Every time I post something on Facebook, the response of the people are overwhelming, and it is what drives us to help and support the farmers. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and till next time. Grill it until it's a bit charred on the outside. Hi guys! If you ask, hey Jehan, what's up? The answer is in this vlog.